What up, guys? Today I will be unboxing a Curry jersey. As you know, Curry is my favorite basketball player. So if I do buy a jersey, it's obviously gonna be Curry. Or I like other players too, but Curry is my favorite one. So had to get the Curry jersey first. And this is like a old jersey. This is not like the current up to date. I like the throwback even more. Just to show how it was before. We'll take it out the bag though. Yeah, here we go right here. Hope you guys like this colorway that I chose. This is my first jersey ever. Well, it's not. I had one before, but I haven't had one in a long time. Definitely. But yeah, this is the colorway. And it's like that 2009, 2010 colorway. Yeah, I wear extra large. But jerseys, it's like weird. Your size is weird in jerseys. I don't know why. But yeah, you turn it around, spread it out. You see, obviously, Curry, number 30. You know what I'm saying? This was only, well, I bought this in the mall, so this was only like 145 with text. It's like 150 with text. So I bought it yesterday, and I just woke up. I was like, yeah, I'll record it, show my fans what I got. And then I hope you guys like it though. You let me know if you would like what you caught this jersey, and like what could I wear it with. I don't know what shoes yet, but you can let me know what shoes I can wear this with, the colorway. I'm still trying to find some shoes. I know I could rock it with some jeans or even some shorts, but yeah. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. You rate this jersey from scale 1 through 10, and obviously I respond to all my comments, so I'll let you know feedback and everything. But I love you guys so much. I'm actually gonna make some more videos on my PlayStation, and peace out.